Hello guys, Marc from Sprii. Today I would like to show you how you can create your first live campaign with Sprii. Let's jump over to the computer and check how easy it is done. You will click on campaigns here in the left menu, and then in the top right corner you're going to choose what kind of a campaign you would like to create. In this example right here, I would like to create a live sale campaign. The first thing you can do when this window opens up is to name the campaign. So I'm going to call this Spree School. And then you will have to put in your timing for when you would like to go live. So you're going to pick a date. I'll just say that I would like to go live today, and I would like to do it at 6 o'clock. Then you'll have to put in for how long you will be live, and here I'll just choose an hour. And at the end you can choose the order deadline, which is for how long the campaign or the live shopping show should be shoppable for. As a default setting, it's set to 48 hours, so I'll just stick with that. Next up, you can add the products that you would like to sell on your live show to the campaign. From here, you just click on products and then add. And then you can either choose to add it directly from your product catalog if you have a webshop integration. If you do not have a webshop integration, you can just create a product directly in Sprii. But since I have a webshop integration, I'm just going to add it from my product catalog. This window will open up, and then I'll add the products that I would like to sell. So I'm going to add these 4 products here. And then you can see that we're getting a small pop-up notification here saying that we have overlapping search words. And this is something that we can easily fix. You can also see down here that we get the small warning. And the only thing you will have to do is to go to search words up here, and then you can either add numbers or letters after the need you have. And I'll just add some numbers. So now you can see that the hoodie is now shop 100 and the jacket is 102, and so on and so on. So each product has its own unique code. That's it. Then you can jump to your replies, and the replies is how Sprii should communicate with your customers. So when someone makes a reservation, then you can edit how that should sound like in the private message to the customer or in the public replies, so in the comment section. And you can just edit these by opening up or clicking on the field here, and then you can add the text that you need. You can see these snippets that we have here, that is actually code, and this will of course be replaced by the customer's real name. This is something you can do for the reservation and how it should communicate if a product is sold out, and so on and so on. This is something that you can set in your default settings, so you do not have to customize them or edit them every single time. This is something that you can easily do in your page settings. In the channels tab here, you can choose to create an event for the Sprii marketplace, and the only thing that you will have to do is to create an event. You can name the campaign, you can add a description, and you can add a cover photo. So let me just do that here. When that is done, then you can set the status from a draft to be public. And this is something that we actually recommend you to do before the live, because then it will be shown as a show that is coming soon. So change this to public when the campaign is done here. Next up, you can go to your streaming tab. And this is for the users who are our business users who has the Sprii host app, where you can stream to multiple channels from one single phone. And you can see how easy it is. You can choose where you would like to stream to or where you do not want to stream to. So you just, with a single click, choose what channels that you would like to stream to. The last thing you'll do is that you'll put in some general setup for how you would like the campaign to work. So you can put in your purchase words. I have it as a shop. Then you can choose if you would like to like reservations or comments. So when someone makes a reservation on the live, they'll also get a thumbs up on their comment, which is really good for engagement. Then you can choose to allow product quantity, which means that customers can actually buy more of the same product with just a single comment. And then if you have a webshop integration, you should also use that so that the customers or your customers will be sent directly to your webshop. I hope this gave you a little idea of how easy it is to create a campaign in Sprii. If you have any questions, please just reach out to us. We will be happy to help. See you.